Contained within the Effect menu are several distortion effects that you can apply. The free distort effect works in a lot of ways just like the free transform tool does. It lets you move the points independent of one another to kind of scale and squish and distort the object within a bounding box that you've got control over. When you're happy with the results of the stretch, click the OK button to see the results. Another distort effect is the pucker and bloat. This is also available as a liquefy tool over here under the warp tool. With the preview option turned on, you'll be able to see the results of this. Puckering an object kind of pulls in the points towards the center, and bloating has the opposite effect by pushing out the segments away from the points. Both values are expressed at a percentage of the original value. Another distort effect is the roughen effect. This effect randomly jiggles about the position of the regular spaces along each of the paths. You can make it more detailed by using this detail setting, and you can specify that the roughen points use smooth points or corner points for more jagged edges. The size will impact the amplitude of each wave. This is a great effect to use if you want to go for a hand-drawn scribble look. The tweak effect lets you skew position points randomly and curvature in both the vertical and horizontal direction. You can set these values to be impacted either relatively or using absolute coordinates. And you can have it affect the anchor points, the in and out control points, or a combination of any of these. The in and out control points specified here are the directional handles used to affect the curvature of the point at different places. The twist distort effect lets you twist the object about its center. The higher the degree, the more radical the twist is. And finally, the zigzag effect will cause each path to zigzag back and forth around the whole object. These can be either smooth zigzags or corner point zigzags. And you can specify the number of ridges that are added per segment. The size, again, will affect the amplitude. And these values can be either relative or absolute. Each of these distort effects are unique, and together they can be used to create some very interesting designs.